god. How to not have a panic attack. I always say don't look down. Okay, this is gonna be the hardest part, getting down again. Yeah, it is. Good luck. Okay, trying to find the entrance of the Great Pyramid called Khufu. I think it's this way. Wow. Look at the size of that. The camera doesn't do it justice, it's so hot. And more police though. He slipped. Wow, look how large as well these stones are. I don't know if I can stand on it, but I'm gonna get closer. Man, it's hot. Look at the size of the stones. For size comparison, I'm around 6 foot, 6'1". These stones are probably taller than me per stone. Wow. Apparently when you go inside as well, it's like so tight, like you can't even, you just have to like wiggle through, and it's gonna be roasting in there. So but you gotta do it. You can't come to the pyramids and not go inside. How were they built? Apparently as well, it wasn't built by slaves. It was built by, I think it was farmers, and like low-income people were hired, and they were actually treated quite well apparently. Apparently they were fed well, had plenty of water. So I think the skilled engineers obviously designed it, and then they got in a load of like peasant people to do all the hard graft. Apparently they were treated well. It wasn't done by slaves. It's so close to civilization as well. It's just over there people live. It's insane. I really thought it'd been in the middle of nowhere. Oh, it's so nice to have that wind though on this hot day. I know I'm burning. Signs everywhere as well to say no climbing. That's the first thing you think of when you see a pyramid. It's like, I want to climb that. Here we go. I found the entrance. Let's do it. Is it claustrophobic in there? Very tight? Yeah, like anyway, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Whoa. This is crazy. Oh my god. I need a double staircase.
Yeah, I need to make another one, don't I?
Yeah. Oh my god. Whoa. Look at this. Oh fucking hell. How to not have a panic attack. How to not have a panic attack. Oh my god, it gets fucking shorter. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh man, this isn't easy. Gotta have good knees. Oh my. First section done. Oh, it's not easy, is it? Sorry. This is shit. Bit of a traffic jam. It's just thin stairs like this. About a 50-degree angle going up. Okay, I've done lots of walking in Costa Rica. I always say don't look down. That makes your legs shake. Right, more tunnels. Wow. And we made it. No video, sorry. One second. Okay, this is gonna be the hardest part, getting down again. Ouch. Ouch. Hit my back on the thing. Okay, this is scary.
Good luck with the
Yeah,
hard part.
it is. Good luck. Oh, bloody hell. The camera does not do this justice, but this is uncomfortable, to say the least. Your knees are at like a 90-degree angle, but it's all part of the fun. Slow and steady, it's a race. I'm dripping sweat onto the floor. If you can see it dripping off my forehead. Picking up the pace. Bit higher when near the entrance. See if I can do the dog. Look at my face. Whoa. See if I can do the dog. Splash it everywhere. That was hot, but it was fun. Shukran. Ah, we see light. As you can see, I am wet. He's roasting.